Meaning of expansion card.
Expansion card.
Expansion card.
Expansion card.
Expansion card. An expansion card is a circuit board that adds functionality to a computer. It is inserted into an expansion slot on the motherboard and connects to the computer's bus. Expansion cards can add features such as additional ports for peripherals, enhanced audio or video capabilities, or increased storage capacity. They can also improve the performance of a computer by offloading tasks from the CPU. Expansion cards have been used in PCs since the early 1980s and have helped to extend their usefulness and longevity.